So this is a method that I've found to find holes in air mattresses. This is a little different than anything else I've seen on YouTube. First off, you start out with a common method, which is to fill a spray bottle full of water and dish soap. You want to put a fairly generous amount of dish soap in there because you're going to be looking for bubbles on the air mattress. Now, how I diverge from everybody else says to just spray the entire thing. What I like to do is to spray my hand instead. Your hand's going to get nice and wet, and then you run your hand slowly over the air mattress, and you'll eventually find that there will be an area where air is coming out. Now, I should mention too that you want your air mattress to be very, very inflated when this happens, 100%, because you want as much air coming out of the hole as possible. So in this case, I previously found 2 holes on this air mattress, and here's one of them. And I'm going to confirm the hole after I found where the stream of air is coming up from by just spraying just a little bit on the area. And you can see, not only is it making a bit of noise, but also it's bubbling from the area right there. That's it. Just run your hand over the entire air mattress. Remember to check the bottom mostly, that's where most holes are, but it could also be on the sides and even on the top. One of my other mattresses I found 3. I found one on the side, one on the bottom, and one on the top. So you have to repair all of them. Now as far as repairing them goes, I looked online on Amazon to see if they had a patch kit, and unfortunately I couldn't find anything that was of very great quality. So the method that I've seen online used most often is to use either a bicycle patch kit for tires, or simply to take some hot glue and cover the area and then put a piece of duct tape over it, and it'll last for years. Alright, thank you very much.